Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Hey guys! So, I'm here in Fort Lauderdale and this is All Spice Jamaican restaurant. Wow, wow. I wonder what they have inside, guys. Let's take a look. Let's check it out.
Don't do that.
Wow. Wow. Look at this, guys. It's a restaurant. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you today?
Pretty good, pretty good. I was just passing and I noticed you're operating a restaurant here. Yes, yes. What do you have selling?
Alright, let me give you a look.
Yes, let's see the menu, guys. Oh, she's letting us in. Let's see what's on our menu. Guys,
We have oxtail.
ooh, guys, oxtail,
Jerk chicken.
jerk chicken. Wow.
Brown stew chicken.
Okay, guys.
Curry chicken, curry gold.
Curry. Ooh, guys, look at that.
Jerk pork. Stew
Jerk.
peas.
Wow, guys, look at that.
We have everybody's favorite soup. Chicken soup or red peas.
Ooh, guys, red pea soup.
And we have cow foot and stewed pork.
Ooh, guys, look at that. Awesome. What do you serve this with?
We serve it with rice and peas or white rice. And we also do have coleslaw and macaroni salad.
Oh,
And on
guys.
weekends, mac and cheese.
And the mac and cheese. Oh my goodness, guys, you have to check this out. This is All Spice Jamaican restaurant, guys. This is amazing. So how long have you been operating?
We've been operating for 3 years. February 6th made 3 years.
February
6th,
2020.
2020. Yes, we opened right in the middle of COVID.
Wow. How did that affect your business?
We had to shut down for a little while, but it was just me, my mom, and my dad, 24/7. It was kind of hard, but we just had to work our way up there.
Yes. You're looking pretty young though, but you seem to know your way around the kitchen.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Family-owned business.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so you operate with your mom?
Mom and dad, yes.
Yes. Okay. All right. Mom must be really proud of you.
Yes, I hope so.
Yes, I'm sure she is. I'm sure she is, guys. And how has business been going?
Business has been going good, but you know, we can always be better.
Yes. 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 And you find that based on your location,
Yes.
it contributes to the patronage that you get?
Yes, because we're close by the beach and the airport. So
Right, right.
we get all of our tourists.
Right. Good, good, good. And you get a lot of Jamaicans? who
A
support-
mix. A mix.
Yes.
Yeah, mostly Americans.
Really?
Yes.
Yes. They're curious about the food,
Yes.
right?
Yes, a
Yes.
lot.
Yes. And I'm sure you probably plan to stay in the business, right?
Yep.
Because I'm sure it has grown on you.
Yes, I do.
Yes.
I don't think I have a choice, but I plan on staying.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Anything else you want to add?
And also, we do have lunch special from 11 to 2. $5.99 lunch special comes up to $6.41. And
wow.
You also do get a free soup. You have a different soup every day with a small or large meal.
Guys, that's unbeatable. You don't get it any better. Lunch special at All Spice Jamaican Restaurant.
And we also do cater for Broward colleges as well. They also do get a discount with us. Any Broward college.
Okay. Okay. So guys, hear that? You can also do your catering, and they make allowances for that. They encourage that. And yes. Thank you so very much, guys. Let's take a look. One last look around this beautiful restaurant. And we have a drink machine over there with all the wide variety of juices. We have fried chicken here. Guys, this is amazing. Amazing. Thank you so very much. All right.